Hi and welcome to my EcoBuzz. I'm Jessica Gregory. If you've been following along with the Know Your Water series this winter and spring, then you've been learning a lot about our water resources and how to keep them healthy. And here in Michigan, we have plenty of water to go around. The Great Lakes account for 1/5 of Earth's fresh water, and 40 million people depend on them for drinking water. Measuring and tracking water quality are critical to monitor the health of our waterways, which ultimately impact the health of the communities who depend on them. The more awareness we can create about this issue, the better. And that's why I'm so excited to invite you to participate in a hands-on opportunity to know your water better this spring of 2022. Join me in Grand Haven, Michigan on Friday, April 22nd from 12:30 to 3 o'clock p.m. to ride aboard the DJ Angus, a science ship operating through Grand Valley State University's Annis Water Resources Institute. On this approximately 2.5-hour voyage, participants will actively assist with collecting and analyzing water samples from Spring Lake and, weather permitting, from Lake Michigan too, as we learn about local impacts to water quality and watershed health. Participants must be ages 9 and up, and space is limited, so make sure you sign up using the link in the video description. The best part, this program is free for participants thanks to its sponsors. I hope you'll join me this spring for this amazing opportunity. Don't hesitate to contact me if you have any questions. And in the meantime, happy naturing. This program is provided by Grand Valley State University, Berkeley Creation Care, and My EcoBuzz.